Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the UTSIFOY or the UTSIFOY backpack from Macpac. This stands for under the seat in front of you because it's designed to be the perfect carry-on size that can slide under the seat. It is also available in the European Macpac store under the name Black Iris, which I think sounds a little bit better than the UTSIFOY in my opinion. The bag is made from a 600D Cordura nylon which feels very strong and durable. There's a separate laptop compartment with a false bottom so the laptop won't hit the ground through the bag, and it also has felt lining so it won't scratch. In the laptop compartment there's also a few pen slots and a sleeve where you can put a tablet or a laptop's charging cable. The front has a pocket which is very large and as deep as the whole front panel. Inside that is a phone-sized pouch and a few more pen slots. The bag has a nice clamshell opening and a spacious 25-litre main compartment. Although if you put the dimensions of the bag into a cubic weight calculator, it says the bag is more like a 40-litre capacity. However, Macpac has confirmed that they measured the capacity of the bag using an inflatable insert that more accurately measures it as a 25-litre bag. Still, it is very spacious and it fits a lot in. Inner side of the flap also has a mesh pocket where you can store additional things. There's also a packable shoe pouch built into the side of the inner compartment where you can store shoes without dirtying the rest of the bag. There's two small daisy chain web straps on the front of the bag too, which I found handy for clipping my hero clip onto. Finally, there is a drink bottle holder on the side that has elastic to hold it flat while not in use. The best thing about this bag for me is that it only weighs 870 grams or 1.9 pounds, whilst empty, which is about 330 grams or 11.6 ounces lighter than most of the competition. It might not sound like very much, but it can make a big difference between whether you pack or not pack that extra item. Also, the less the bag weighs, the less overall weight you have to carry. It's always better to have a little bit more wiggle room. So I did a little bit of a test pack here to see what I could fit in, and you can see I can fit my laptop here, tablet, GoPro accessories pouch, and my camera cube, toilet kit, and there's also room to spare. The straps of the bag are quite comfortable, although they don't have a built-in sternum strap. So I bought a cheap universal sternum strap from eBay and it works quite well as you can see here. The straps of the backpack tuck away into the back of the bag, however the clip is not as easy to unclip as I would like, but that does mean that it's more secure. The adjustment straps for the straps do hang loose, which can be annoying, but you can either tuck them through the clips or clip the ends through the backpack clips to make them less dangly. The price is quite reasonable too, especially if you can get it on sale. I got it for 115 Australian dollars, which is 79 US dollars. On sale, but it's currently 89 euros on the European site, which is about 145 Australian dollars or 100 US dollars, which I think is pretty good value for the price for what you get. It does feel durable and long lasting. The only things that are missing are that there's no pass-through on the back to slide it against a suitcase handle, for example. And there's no sternum strap, and the zips don't feel super smooth, but I feel like they will get smoother with use. A good thing though is that the zips are lockable. The bag is somewhat water resistant, but the water will still get in through the zippers and the seams, so I wouldn't suggest using this bag in heavy rain. Overall, a really great bag, especially if you can pick it up on sale. It feels durable and well made, the design is well thought out and has a lot of useful features that will make it a great travel companion. I'd definitely recommend checking it out if you're in the market for a new backpack. So that's it, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think about this bag or if you have any other bags you'd suggest me to check out. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.